Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back here with some new headlights. Look at them. Got the housings painted black. Also got a new etching and some other new stuff. RGV Pro Lighting down in Texas was kind enough to send these to me. He also did the previous set I have in my car. But with these, when I turn my turn signal on, they'll blink on that side. And I really wanted to paint it black too. So he's kind enough to hook me up. If you want any headlights, custom headlight work done, make sure to get a hold of him. He's a really cool guy. I actually met him when I went down in Houston for WECFest. If you want to check any of his stuff out, we'll have a link to his website down in the description. So if you need custom work done, make sure to hit him up because he will hook you up. But today, we'll be putting these in and showing them off, and they should look pretty good. Now I know a lot of you guys are calling me a fucking ricer. I don't think this makes me ricey, and I think they look good on Challengers. Now no, I don't think Halos look good on every car, but on Challengers I feel like you kind of need them. They do have them in their factory on the new ones. That was like a year after mine, so I think they look good. If you don't like them, tough shit, I guess. All right, let's get to it. So we finally got the bumper off. The bumper is always a fucking treat to get off on these. And there's two bolts, one on each side, that is a pain in the ass. And then, when you're popping the bumper off, you feel like you're gonna break it. It like makes awful noises and grinds and cracks and all kinds of shit. But we finally got it off. Now, we have to undo the wiring for the old headlights, which is pretty extensive. So yeah, damn. This is probably why Ryan wouldn't help me.
Alright guys, so the last footage you saw was shot when? Yesterday? Yeah. Last night? I'm not sure what they did. I wasn't here last night, but we're starting again tonight.
Yeah, it was like 4 in the morning, so we just kind of gave up last night.
Now, the headlights are off. Are these the new ones, or is that?
Yeah, that's new ones.
Those are the new ones. Did you already show them?
Yeah.
I don't know, I like your old etching better.
So what's the difference? These are black or what?
Yeah, it's black, and I told them the Halos, like when you turn your turn signal on, they blink.
Hey, that's lit.
Be pretty dope.
I'll put these bitches in here. Oh, bro, how are you gonna get all that behind it if it's all wired together already?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you that.
Fuck up.
Fuck you!
Explain your fuck up, sir.
I just connected all the wires before we put the headlights in, not realizing we have to run them inside, so.
Yeah.
It wasn't a big of a deal though, I just had to unhook this. Now we're Gucci.
Anybody wanna know how to get a high flow intake?
Alright, put these
No, Carson, don't do that.
god motherfuckers disco lights in here.
Disco.
I like calling disco.
I know you do. You like degrading my car any possible way you can.
Hey, bro, when you putting your Hellcat badges over here?
Oh, I got those
Do those come with the supercharger?
2-day shipping from China.
Fuck.
What?
Fuck.
Well, Ryan's a fuck up. Cut the fucking wire we needed to use for the turn signals.
Ooh,
The catfish bitch.
yeah, way too sexy for me. Believe that. She got 0 friends. One picture.
She wants you first, man. She wants you first. She wants your heart.
We going back to my house eating cheesecake?
Fuck yeah.
Dude, I'm hyped.
We gonna get a DiGiorno too, like always?
Yeah.
Get a fucking pineapple pizza. Eat the fuck out of that shit.
Oh, yeah. Don't be typing in the comments, pineapple don't go on pizza.
Because it
I'll
does.
smack you right in the mouth. Somebody's gonna get smacked. Bet I won't too. Because I will.
Pineapple belongs on pizza.
Bobby, do you like pineapple on pizza?
Yeah.
Jake's the weird one.
Jake was the one that didn't like it?
Yeah, Jake don't like
What
pineapple
did
on
T-Car
pizza.
say? Because I'll smack him too.
Alright. I don't remember what T-Car said. Bridget like pineapple on pizza?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So Jake's the only one.
Maybe T-Car. What about Dave?
I don't want to call him right
Yeah,
now.
call
This is
him.
going to decide our friendship if Dave likes fucking... It's 1 o'clock, we're not going to be awake. Alright guys, so we got these in here plugged up. We're going to try to see if the lights actually work.
Well,
before
make sure the bulbs. I like swapped my old bulbs out of my old headlights because I got 6000K bulbs, and they have like different connectors. So I want to see if my headlight bulbs work.
Yeah, we're just gonna try it out before we like bolt everything down, put the bumper on and everything like that, and then find out that the lights don't work, alright? Hit it, Carson. Turn the lights
Turn the
on.
high beams on. Fucking projector thing switching. You have it on?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Start it.
Try starting it.
I tried.
What the
What-
fuck's it doing?
What do you mean you tried to start it?
I tried to start it. Look. Alright, it's off. Right, I got the key in here with the brake. It don't start.
What?
I didn't do anything. I turned the fucking headlights on. All the shit's working in here.
Oh shit.
Hey, the positive and negative connections for the power converter. Did you?
The power converter.
The power converter.
Yeah, what those lines are on the power converter? Whatever the fuck they are. Did you tighten those on?
Oh, by the
This?
fuse box?
It's loose.
Why would that have anything to do with it though?
I don't know. All the other shit's turning on, but
Give me something to tighten this shit.
whenever I had my Corolla, one time that shit wasn't all the way tight. Everything else came on, the car would start. It's worth a shot.
We'll fucking see, smarty pants.
Yeah, you fucking sleep. My car better fucking start or I'm gonna kick your ass.
I didn't do shit.
You got in it, you tried to start it, it didn't start. What a coincidence.
I'm not Jake.
Close enough.
Alright, tighten them down with channel locks.
Safer.
Try it. Try it now.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared. how do you go from doing headlight work to your car not fucking starting? Sorry for all the fucks, but I was scared.
I was pretty fucking worried. I thought I did.
Like, could you imagine working on your headlights and your car not starting? So when I first started this, started on Saturday night. We worked till like 4 in the morning because we got a late start. And then Ryan and Carson came on Sunday, and Jake, and we did filming. And then they helped me towards the night on that night as well. But we didn't get done, but we did get the headlights in and the bumper back on. But I still have wiring to do, and it is now Wednesday. And I would have gotten it done sooner, but I needed some of these little crimp connects. I needed these for the turn signals. Hey Poochie! Say hi to the Poochie. Look, look, Poochie. That's my husky. But I needed those, and I could have like wired everything or taped everything up and went down the road and got them myself. But I live like a half an hour away from town, so I just let my girlfriend go get them for me, and she wasn't able to get them till Tuesday because I forgot to give her money to get them. And so she got these, and now it's Wednesday, and I want to finish them up. Honestly, it wouldn't be that bad, but taking the whole bumper off and everything is time consuming, and I had to get the wiring figured out. And yeah, so I think we're good to go. So this is where we're at right now. I need to get these done, but I think I'm gonna clean all these. Well, first off, I have one of these connected down here, and I thought it wasn't working, but I just didn't have it crimped enough. But I already cut the wire that needs to go down there. So I need to take that crimp connect off, which is gonna be a little bit of a pain in the ass. And then when we get that done, I should be able to re-crimp it. And I'll have to re-crimp this side over here. And then we'll be selling that part. And then it's just a matter of getting all these wires cleaned up. There's a good little bit there, but a few zip ties, and we should be good on that department. All right, so a little update. I did get the other quick splice thing taken off. I got it connected. And I got connecting, only realizing I had the wire coming up over top, and I wanted it up underneath so I could tuck it all. So instead of taking that splice off, because I don't want to have to put on and remove too many splices, just due to it cutting wires. And so I just cut this wire in half, ran it underneath, and reconnected it and put a nice tight piece of heat shrink on there so no moisture will get to it. So I think this side is done. Give me a second and I will show you the turn signals. Basically all I have left now is a bunch of boring wiring. I doubt you all want to see that. So I'm just gonna speed through that, and when I get that done, I will show you all the end result. All right, well, that was a pain in the ass. There's quite a bit of wires to talk about. I did manage to get them all tucked. Make sure everything's working, and I think we're good to go. So if you need any headlights or lighting, like I said before, make sure to check out RGV Pro Lighting. A link to them will be down in the description, as well as our Instagram, so you can see what's going on over there. I definitely like having them blacked out as opposed to all that extra chrome before. There is still a reflector for my turn signal, as there should be, but the rest has all been blacked out, and I think it looks pretty badass. So I'm gonna shut up and quit talking now, and let you see what they do.
Nigga, what is competition? It's some common bitchin' on, it's just a lot of victims slaughter to my composition. Nigga, I was on a mission, living in Nevada, hottest saunas, eating chili pepper sweaters, and a lot of friction sitting on the sun. It was written, I'm the one. Nigga, if I rule the world, they get the messages in blood. Heaven sent and bring them hell just like a Eva, then I'm done. Ever since I dropped Rolina, I was even with the Huns. Bitch, until of that track, when I'm spilling that crack. My militia raid a villa, I'm a villain, that's black. Back killing, mass stealing, my chillin' backpack. Rap skill is past millions, rat building, that's that. With the angel next to Adam, this is second impact. Take a second, you take second, I'm a weapon intact. My progression, Armageddon, I'm possessing arm and leg. You pay to see me, say you CD, I ain't impressed with syntax. Nigga, I'm bossing, getting my brawnin', getting good brain till I step in my coffin. Step aside, nigga, let me rep the nine, nigga. This is exercise, nigga, running, getting my squatting. Put the city on my back like I'm Atlas. Then I run an Atlas, they like Atlas. And at dawn, my story ends. And A9's plays on, great war begins. Fan. I am not a king or a peasant, I'm a being, I'm a presence, I'm a thing, I'm a weapon. I walk the abyss and caught me and fitted. It's obvious that Anonymuz body them niggas spitting. I'm Scotty mixed with the pippin and pissing. You